Imagine making your first $1,000 online, without coding, without a big budget, just using simple AI tools. In this video, I'll show you exactly how beginners are doing it in 2026. Let's be honest. Most people hear about making money with AI, but no one really explains it in a simple way. So in this video, I'm going to break it down step by step. No hype, no complicated tech talk. If you can use a phone or laptop, you can follow this. Step 1. Pick one simple AI service. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to do everything. Don't do that. Start with one simple service that businesses already pay for. Good beginner options: writing content, designing thumbnails, creating short videos, social media posts. Why this works? Businesses need these every single day. Step 2. Use AI to do the heavy work. Now this is where AI becomes powerful. Instead of working for hours, you use AI tools to work faster. For example, use ChatGPT to write content. Use Leonardo AI to create images. Use Canva to polish designs. Use 11 Labs for voiceovers. What used to take 5 hours can now take 30 minutes. That's your advantage. Step 3. Package it as a simple offer. Here's the secret most beginners miss. People don't buy AI services. They buy solutions to their problems. Bad offer: I create AI content. Good offer: I will create 10 viral social media posts for your business. See the difference? Keep your offer clear, simple result. Focused. Step 4. Find your first clients. You don't need thousands of followers to start. Begin here. Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, Facebook business groups, LinkedIn, outreach. Your first goal is simple. Get your first $50, then your first $200, then scale to $1,000. Momentum matters more than perfection. Step 5. Scale with speed, the $1,000 path. Once you get results, scaling becomes easier. Example: path, 10 clients, X $100, ideas 1,020 clients, X $50 is a $1,000, 4 clients, X $250, $1,000. You don't need millions of views. You just need a simple service, AI speed, consistent outreach, realistic expectation, build trust. Let me be clear. This is not overnight money. Your first week is for learning. Your first month is for testing. But by month 2 or 3, many beginners start seeing real income. Consistency beats hype every time. AI is not replacing people. It's replacing people who refuse to learn it. If you start now, you are still early. Subscribe for more simple AI money strategies. And in the comments, tell me your goal: $100, $1,000, $10,000.